Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get be among the first to get Windows update on Windows 11. So here, if you want to keep up to date, please enable this feature. So you can go to the Windows Start and go to the settings and try to access Windows Update. Here we go. The more options, there is a feature that lets you be among the first to get the latest non-security updates, fixes, and improvements as they roll out. So you can get the latest update as soon as they're available. Please turn this on. So if you want to know what the details, you can click Learn More. Here we go. This is optional, not a must, but I consider to turn this on. So you can select check for update. If any updates are available for you, your device will download and install them. If prompted to do, restart your device to apply the update. Here, whether you set the toggle off or on, you will still get the regular security update as usual. The toggle determines how quickly you get the additional non-security updates, fixed feature updates, and improvements. So why not? You can turn on this feature. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.